Hello everybody! My name is Kri and today I'm here because we are going to sing a song. That song about the animals. Do you want to hear it? Yes? Are you sure? 1, 2, 3. Hello, hello, hello to the animals around the world. Hello, hello, hello to the animals around the world. The dog goes woof woof, woof woof, woof woof. The cat goes meow, meow, meow. The horse goes mee, mee, mee. And the bird goes tweet, 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 tweet. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye to the animals I so much like. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye to the animals I so much like. Woo! And she's the artist, Beth Nadal. Beth, say hello, Beth. Say hello. She's Beth. Okay, goodbye. A kiss. A kiss for everybody.